Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to take profit right here on Trade Wheel. If you want to take profit right here, what you need to know that you need to use an account to create an offer. And if you don't have an account yet, please check out the link in my description where you can click on and create yourselves an account and also supporting the channel. So that will be amazing if you click on that link. Then after that, I will show you right here as quick as possible how we can take profit on an order. So let's say we search right here for Ethereum. Then we select right here on Ethereum and then you see right here on the right your order panel. Then right now what we can do is click on sell or buy. I will do a buy order right now. So we click here on buy. Select right here for how much lot you want to buy. Now let's do 0.5, that is fine. And then we can go right here and enable here take profit. Then we can fill in right here that when the price of Ethereum goes to 2,200, he will take our profit and will close our trade. So now if I click right here on buy and we do confirm, you see right here that we created ourselves a nice position on Ethereum with a take profit of $2,200. So this is how you can create yourself a take profit order. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.